Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to separate Word files. First, ensure your document is well structured with clear headings. This organization is key for efficient splitting. We'll explore methods that leverage Word's capabilities, allowing you to extract specific content into new, independent files. This process saves time and helps manage large projects effectively. To begin, open your Word document and apply heading styles to the sections you want to separate. For instance, use Heading 1 for main topics and Heading 2 for subtopics. Then, navigate to the View tab and click Outline. This view reveals your document structure, making it easy to identify and organize content blocks for individual files. Once in Outline view, select the headings that define the sections you want to split. Next, click the Show Document button in the Outlining group, then click Create. Word will automatically generate a new, separate document for each selected heading. These subdocuments are then saved as individual files, making your large document much more manageable. An alternative method involves manually copying and pasting. Simply select the content you wish to separate, copy it, and then paste it into a new, blank Word document. Save this new document with a clear, descriptive name. Repeat this process for each section you need to extract. This approach provides maximum control over the exact content of each new file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.